What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tactical Black Guy here, also known as Preston. I appreciate you guys joining me for another video. Today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Canik Tp9 Elite Sc. The SC stands for subcompact. This gun will run you retail about $429. After taxes, I paid $460. In my opinion, Canik are some of the best guns on the market in terms of value, and the triggers are the best in my opinion. So the gun comes in a hard case with some company branding on the outside. Once you open the case, you got some more branding, and then on the opposite side you have all your documentation, instruction manual, etc. You have a brush and the attachment up top. You have the starter show the gun itself. Put that to the side. It comes with a holster that you can wear both inside and outside the waistband by just moving these to the opposite side here. You have two magazines. You have a 12-round magazine that's in the gun right now and a 15-round magazine. You have a gun lock. You have an extra base plate, an extra back strap, and you have a plate so that you can mount an optic to the gun. So all you have to do is just take this off and put your optic on. I do have an optic that I just picked up, and I'll be reviewing this one as well. This is a Viper red dot that fits on the Tp9 Elite Sc. Additionally, you do get your hardware so that you're able to take the plate off and mount the optic, as well as make some adjustments to your holster. So essentially, guys, you get everything in this package, and I'm going to go ahead and go on record as saying, in my opinion, this is the best value out of any gun right now on the market. $429, you can't beat everything that you get in this package. So that's it, guys. Quick unboxing the Canik Tp9 Elite Sc. I'll be doing a full review in the coming weeks, so look out for that. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also don't forget that I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing this Viper red dot. I got a lot of guns that I need to review. A lot of things coming, guys, so look out for that. I'm Tactical Black Guy, and I'm out. Peace.